This is the Reptile Zoo 24 by 18 by 36 cage enclosure for reptiles. You can choose between a mesh, which I've chosen on mine, or glass sides. It has little sticky tabs for the doorknobs. It also has a little lock to keep the glass closed. It does come with 2 keys, and it was somewhat easy to put together. The directions weren't super easy, but we did finally figure it out. Make sure that you screw down the 4 poles that you have to insert into the bottom first. Otherwise, the top of the enclosure does not settle down correctly onto the cage. I absolutely love the cage. It's of nice quality. It's a good size, and I have no complaints whatsoever.
Look at that, dude!
Please join us for music and mingling on Square.
Going so hard.